Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that someone made more money while sleeping than they did working all day. Now imagine that someone isn't a billionaire. It is someone using artificial intelligence. Sounds crazy, right? Well, over the next few minutes, I am going to show you how people are using artificial intelligence to start businesses, create income streams, save time, and even make better financial decisions. But here's the twist. Not everyone using AI is getting rich. In fact, one mistake causes most people to waste months chasing opportunities that never pay off. And that is mistake number 3. So make sure you stay until the end, because we are saving the most important lesson for the last. Let's get into it. When most people hear AI, they imagine a magical machine that prints money. But that's not how AI works. AI isn't a money machine. It's a leverage machine. Think about it. A calculator doesn't make you rich, but it helps you calculate things faster. A car doesn't make you rich, but it helps take you places faster. AI works the same way. It helps you do things quicker, cheaper, and more efficiently. And that's where wealth creation starts. Because wealthy people understand something most people don't. The more value you can create in less time, the more money you can potentially earn. And AI dramatically increases that ability. But how exactly are people using it? The next method might surprise you. A few years ago, starting a business would cost thousands. Today, AI can help reduce many of those costs. Need business ideas? AI can brainstorm them. Need product descriptions? AI can write them. Need social media content? AI can help create it. Need email campaign? AI can draft them. This means someone with limited resources can now do the work that once required an entire team. And that's a huge advantage. But here's a catch. Just because AI can do the work doesn't mean people will pay for it. And that's where many people get stuck. Because the next thing AI helps with is often more valuable. Quick question. Have you used AI before? Comment below with yes or no. And if you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe, because we break down wealth building ideas in a simple way anyone can understand. Now let's continue. One of the biggest barriers to earning more money is learning new skills. Many people give up because learning feels overwhelming. But AI changes that. Imagine having a tutor available for 24 hours a day. You can ask questions, get explanations, practice concepts, and receive feedback instantly. People are using AI to learn copywriting, marketing, coding, graphic design, video editing, sales, business strategy faster than ever before. Now, does that mean AI replaces learning? No. But it can speed up the process. And speed matters, because the faster you develop valuable skills, the sooner you can increase your income. But here's where things get interesting. The next benefit doesn't help you make money. It helps you keep more of it. Let's be clear. AI shouldn't replace professional financial advice, but it can help you organize information and think more clearly. For example, many people don't know where their money goes each month. AI can help you categorize expenses, identify spending patterns, and highlight areas where money might be leaking. Sometimes, building wealth isn't about spending more. It's about wasting less. And small improvements can create huge long-term results. Imagine saving just a little extra every month. Year after year, that adds up. But now, we need to talk about a major danger, because this next mistake is costing people money every single day. Remember earlier when I mentioned that many people fail with AI? This is why. They spend all their time consuming and no time creating. They watch AI videos, read AI articles, follow AI influencers, download AI tools, but never actually use them. Knowledge without action changes nothing. And that is why some people spend 6 months learning AI and making zero progress. Meanwhile, someone else spend 1 week learning and immediately start applying it. Guess who gets results? The person who takes action. AI rewards execution and not endless preparation. And there is one final lesson that almost nobody talks about, yet it might be the most important one in this entire video. Here's the truth. AI will not make everyone wealthy. Just like the internet didn't make everyone wealthy. Just like smartphones didn't make everyone wealthy. Technology creates opportunities. People create wealth. The winners won't be the people with the most AI tools. The winners will be the people who use AI to solve real problems. Businesses pay for solutions. Customers pay for solutions. Employers pay for solutions. The question isn't, how can I use AI to make me rich? The better question is, how can I use AI to create more value for other people? That is where wealth begins. And that mindset alone can put you ahead of most people. So can AI help you build wealth? Absolutely. But only if you use it as a tool, not as a shortcut. AI can help you start businesses faster, learn valuable skills quicker, improve productivity, make smarter decisions, create more value. But at the end of the day, the effort is still yours. The action is still yours. And the result will depend on what you do next. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with someone who wants to improve the financial future. Thanks for watching. And remember, wealth looks good on you.